Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Firestick that keeps restarting. Now, let's go to the back of my TV and locate my Firestick. So here's my Firestick on the back of the TV. What we want to try is disconnecting the HDMI and removing this extender. Maybe this is the reason it keeps disconnecting, and put it into a different HDMI slot and just try this out. Then another thing that you can try is disconnecting the USB cable from the Firestick and just inspect it and then plug it back in. Sometimes right here this connection gets a little bit loose and it could come out, causing it to turn off randomly. But if the HDMI cable is good, go ahead and plug it back in. If you have your power cord plugged into the TV with just the USB, this could be getting insufficient power, causing your Firestick to randomly cut off and turn off on you. So you want to take the power adapter just like this and plug it directly into a power strip or the wall outlet. So here's a power strip of mine, and I have a lot of devices already connected to this. It might not draw enough power from this power strip as well, so you might want to actually plug it directly into the wall outlet. Also, it could be restarted because there's an update on your Firestick, so pay attention to that as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.